everyone who is gathered here for this auspicious occasion for the launch of the brand new Hero Xpulse 200 and the Hero Xtreme 160R behind me. We have some special guests who have joined us today and who will be unveiling these two motorcycles and talking a little bit about the motorcycles. So I'm excited, and we'll start off with the lighting of the lamp as it is an auspicious occasion. So may I request all our guests who have come to just kindly come here and join us for the same.
Hi, வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும். நம்ம இப்போ எங்கே இருக்கோம்னா அடையா ஷோரூமில் இருக்கோம். We would like to welcome Kishore Subramaniam, aerospace engineer turned automotive enthusiast, start a YouTube channel Madarasi Vlog before a month. ஒரு மந்த்லேயே 10K சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் கிடைச்சிருக்காங்க. Then Rohit Ashok, popularly known on social media as a toll-free traveler, is one of the leading travel and motorcycling related content creator in India. He has embarked on several motorcycle expeditions, traveling some of the most challenging and adventure routes within and outside India. He shared of his experience through his YouTube channel, Toll Free Traveler. And Ashik, who loves ride motorcycles and he does motorcycle reviews at Rave Force Tamil. Mr. Yogesh is a motorcycle enthusiast and a YouTube by the name of Madaras Pilot Head, and is also a off-road training instructor. And Jamal, who loves to ride super bikes and he does motorcycle reviews at JK Sago YouTube channel. இன்னைக்கு இந்த அடையா ஷோரூம்ல எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் 160 அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பல்ஸ் 200ஓட டிஜிட்டல் லான்ச்சிங்கில் இருக்கும். யூஸ்வலாகவே லான்ச்சிங்னாலே பிரம்மாண்டமாக இருக்கும். பட் இந்த கோவிட் சுச்சுவேஷனில் நிறைய பேரை இன்வைட் பண்ண முடியல, சாரி ஃபார் தட். அதனால சிம்பிளாக எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரீச் ஆகிற மாதிரி டிஜிட்டல் லான்ச்சிங் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு இந்த லான்ச்சிங்கை யூடியூபர்ஸ் சேர்ந்து லான்ச் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. கிஷோர், ரோஹித், ஆஷிக், யோகேஷ் அண்ட் ஜமால்.
Thank you for that, Mr. May I request Mr. Rohit and Mr. Kishore to unveil our first motorcycle, the Xpulse 200. Are we ready? Yeah. And probably one of the most exciting products that we have in offer for you, the all-new Xtreme 160R. Guys, can you please do the honor? So, isn't it amazing? Brand new, like a very fiery, sporty red. So a little bit about the motorcycle. It's a brand new engine. It's a brand new chassis. As you can see, it has an all LED headlight display, an all LED indicator console. It's got one of the best performance, 0 to 60 performance, one of the best top speed in the 160 segment. It's priced also very reasonably. It's comfortable. It's your commuter as well as your sports-oriented motorcycle. It can be your first taste of a proper sports motorcycle. And again, I invite all of you watching to come in, visit our dealership in Adyar and take a test drive of the all-new.
பொதுவாக ஐம் சூப்பர் பைக்கர். நான் வந்து ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக போகணும், ப்ளஸ் ஐ மீன் சேஃபாக தான் போவேன். ஸோ கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓட்டணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறாரு. ஸோ நான் இந்த வண்டி ஓட்டி பார்த்த உடனே எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு. ஸ்பீட் பிரேக்கர்ஸ்லாம் வந்து இட்ஸ் கோயிங் வித் ஈஸ். ஸோ எந்த பிரச்சனையுமே இல்லாமல் இந்த பெரிய ரிம்ஸ் 21 inches ரிம்ஸ் அண்ட் 18 inches சப்போர்ட்டிங் வெல். ஸோ ரொம்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு.
To thank each and every one of you from really like it's amazing that I've got in touch with all of them very recently, and it's been amazing to know them. And like Ms. Mishra said, if we didn't have the situation that is prevailing around us, we would probably have a little more fun, have a much more personal interaction with these guys, because they have an immense knowledge about motorcycles, and honestly in the short period of time that I've known them, I've learned quite a lot from them in terms of what they do and how they do it. And honestly I would like to know more about them and what they do, and try to keep in touch with them and collaborate with them and stay as close to them as I can. And hopefully we have a very strong and good relation going forward with each and every one of you guys. And again, I'm really humbled, and I thank you guys for making it with all that is happening around us. Really appreciate the time that you have taken out and honored this occasion and try to make it as nicely as we could in this whole situation. And thank you again. I really cannot thank you enough. Thank you. Best and provide the best service that is possible even during sale and after sales. Thank you. Enjoy.